Hi, my name is Cindy. I'm from America, from the US, Northeast area. I've recently moved to California. Going into this ayahuasca experience, I really had no idea what to expect. I knew that it was healing. I had heard so many good things from other people. I had read a lot about it online. And it was really calling to me. I had no idea what I was in for though once I arrived. We've had, other than the ayahuasca, we've had a pretty packed schedule of just mind-blowing activities that have all been really transformational in their own way. Of course, the ayahuasca has been very transformational for me in ways that I couldn't have even imagined. So, for example, we did a sweat lodge halfway through the week, and I was able to really purify my toxins, my blockages. I was able to forgive so many people that I really didn't even know I needed to forgive. One of my intentions coming into this week was to find love and forgiveness and to stop a lot of the cycles of negativity that I have experienced sort of in my childhood and growing up. And I just felt so much love, so much compassion, openness. And now, when I left the sweat lodge, I felt like I was reborn. And I just, I see people with so much more brightness now. And I'd say if you're wondering if ayahuasca is the right choice for you, I would first say, do it when you're ready. I wouldn't rush into it. I wouldn't do it if you don't really have intentions or things that you think you need to work on. I had some breakthroughs this week and I thought, oh, I'm healed. But then my third ceremony, I went a little deeper and found some things that were in my past that maybe I still need to work on. Definitely still need to work on. So I think just understanding that, this journey is sort of just the beginning of a journey of self-improvement, self-development, feeling spiritually full. I think I came in here pretty spiritually bankrupt and have left here feeling very full. That's sort of my advice is, when you're ready, you're ready. And then just come in with an open heart and you'll find people here who you will get along with. They'll become your family. The facilitators, the shamans, they've just been phenomenal. Everyone here is working tirelessly to make sure this is a good experience. I wouldn't say that this experience has been easy, far from it. And if you're looking just to have like a fun week, this might not be it. But if you're looking for a really transformational week or two, or however many times you want to come back, I imagine then this is probably for you.